In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reschedule appointments on Calendly seamlessly. Whether you've encountered a scheduling conflict or simply need to rearrange your meetings, Calendly makes it simple to adjust timings without the hassle of back and forth communication. Let's dive into the process. To begin this task, you first need to navigate to Calendly's website. Once there, you'll be greeted by the home page of this incredibly handy online appointment scheduling software. The interface is user-friendly and designed to make your scheduling tasks as straightforward as possible. After arriving at the home page, your next step will be to log into your account. Look for the login button, usually located at the top right corner of the page. Clicking on this will direct you to the login page, where you have several options for how to proceed. For our purposes, we're going to utilize the convenient Continue with Google option. This allows you to log in using your Google account, which is not only quicker but also adds an extra layer of security to your proceedings. Upon selecting Continue with Google, you'll be prompted to choose the Google account you wish to use. This step is pretty straightforward. Just click on the account you wish to log in with. In instances where you're not already signed into your Google account on your browser, you might need to enter your credentials. Once you've selected your account, you'll be taken to a confirmation page. Here, Google asks for your permission to allow Calendly to access certain information associated with your account. Look for the Continue button to grant these permissions. It's this integration that allows Calendly to manage your calendar and set up appointments seamlessly, so don't skip this step. Now that you're logged in, it's time to head straight to the heart of today's task. Navigate to your Calendly dashboard by selecting Calendly from the options or simply going to your profile. This dashboard is where all your scheduling magic happens. Inside, look for the Meetings tab or button. This section organizes all your appointments, past, present, and future. Given that our focus is on rescheduling, you'll need to click on the Past tab next. This is where all your completed events are stored. It's a useful feature enabling you to revisit past appointments, attendees, and meeting notes. Such retrospection can be invaluable for follow-ups or, as in our case, when you need to reschedule. Within the Past Events section, browse through the list until you find the specific event you're looking to reschedule. The events are typically listed in reverse chronological order, making it easier to find recent meetings. Click on the event in question to view its details. This action will open the event page showing you all the specifics of the meeting that occurred, including the participant as involved. Once you're on the event's detail page, keep an eye out for the Schedule Invitee Again option. Calendly thoughtfully includes this feature to facilitate easy rescheduling of meetings with previous participants. Whether it's due to a cancellation or simply because a follow-up was agreed upon, this feature simplifies the process of setting another date. By clicking Schedule Invitee Again, you're essentially initiating a new meeting request with the same participants. Calendly will prompt you to select a new date and time that suits your schedule. This is where the fluidity of Calendly's scheduling capabilities truly shines, allowing you to offer up several time slots that work for you, which the invitee can then choose from. Upon confirming the new appointment time, Calendly will automatically send an updated invitation to the participants. This includes all the updated details of the meeting, ensuring everyone is on the same page, and just like that, you've successfully rescheduled your meeting. It's worth mentioning a few helpful tips to make the most out of your Calendly experience. First, ensure your calendar is always up to date to avoid any scheduling conflicts. Calendly does a great job of preventing double bookings, but it can only do so accurately if your calendar reflects your true availability. Additionally, make use of Calendly's customizable notification settings. These can keep you and your invitees informed about any changes or upcoming appointments, making your scheduling as smooth as possible. By following these steps, you now know how to navigate Calendly to reschedule appointments efficiently, ensuring your scheduling remains flexible and responsive to changes. Whether it's for business meetings, personal engagements, or collaborative projects, mastering Calendly's rescheduling process can save you a significant amount of time and hassle. Practice a bit and you'll be rescheduling like a pro in no time. That wraps up our guide on how to reschedule appointments on Calendly. Thank you for watching, and we hope this tutorial has been both informative and helpful. Happy scheduling!